Hey guys, assalamualaikum, welcome back. Today in this video I'll show you how to make aval milk and a kiwi curry. Come, let's get into the video. I think this is the simple version of making aval milk. Especially in this summer, it's very refreshing. Do try this. For this aval milk preparation, I take 2 bananas, aval, fresh milk. You can use any brand of aval. First, heat a pan. Add 1 cup aval, roast until crunchy. Don't roast too much. Keep aside. Into a bowl, add banana, aval, mash with your hands, sugar, add as per to your taste. I am preparing this for 2 servings. Now add 2 cups milk. And mix. Refrigerate until needed. Take a glass. I am decorating with chocolate syrup. This is optional. Pour aval milk. On top, you can add any fruits. I am adding apple and some nuts. Garnishing with some chocolate syrup. Moving to kiwi curry preparation, I take 3 kiwis, half onion and some garlic. Heat a pan, add 2 tablespoons of oil. Saute well onion and garlic. This kiwi curry tastes sweet and sour. It's similar to our Sri Lankan mango curry. For 3 minutes. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon roasted curry powder, and don't forget to add brown sugar. Now adding kiwis. Check the salt. Don't cook too much. After 3 minutes, I am going to add coconut milk. I am adding this canned milk. You can use fresh coconut milk. Cook for 8 minutes until kiwi gets softened. Kiwi curry is done. Sprinkling some sesame seeds. It's optional. Dish out the kiwi curry. This is a must-try recipe. I bought some vegetables. I'll show you how I store carrots, beetroots and green chilies. Take a Ziploc bag and cut the top part. Put into a Ziploc bag. Next, beetroot. Cut the top part and put into a Ziploc cover. For green chilies, take a box, place tissues, take off the top part, again place some tissues on top, close the lid. I hope you all like this video. That's it for today. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe my channel.